The land is fundamental to it, us indigenous people. We come from the land. You take care of land, land will take care of you. Both environmentally, physically, psychologically, now scientifically, we speak to the land. We sing to the land. We rejoice to the land. Even with the sea. When evening has and you see the shining, shimmering water